Welcome to this video. In this video I'm going to show you a free niche, and it's a niche with a difference, or a niche that you can use comfortably with the Google review update, and how I recommend you build your niche sites, or at least think about doing it now. It's also a proven niche. I'm going to walk you through it step by step, and you also have an option in the description below if you want to do this together. So I won't make this a sales video obviously, but do check out the link in the description. It will take you through to this page, and I've set up an offer. I've got 2 spots left if you want to do this together, and the way it works is we will literally do this together. So do check out the video. We basically go through step by step, and you get a complete plan laid out for you that will give you results. I'll give you the exact keywords and product reviews to make sure the site ranks. I'll give you a step-by-step SEO guide and interlinking. I'll give you content templates to make the writing the content easier and quicker. And I'll also give you 4 Skype calls where we meet up once a week to check on progress and make sure that you're getting full support and you're actually doing this stuff without worrying about it and without second guessing that you're getting it right. You also know that you've got a really good niche because I'm picking it out for you, and you get complete you get a guarantee as well. Follow the coaching, the plan I lay out for you, and get full results or get your money back. That's how sure I am that it will work, and it's just a case of actually doing this stuff, and we will do it together. So do check that out. The video's there. It will explain everything, and you're able to order directly on that page. But do bear in mind, I've got 2 spots left, so if you want to get in and do this together, it's one of the best things that you can do, because it's not another course to go through. You get everything that you need in that regard, but you actually get moving, because I'm going to give you a step-by-step plan and everything picked out, and the support on Skype as well. So do check that out. I'd love to work with you on that. And what have I got for you today? So I'm going to show you a free niche, but it's a bit different, and it's the way I recommend that you think about building your niche sites with the Google product review update, and a really cool way that you can make money. And it will also give you a niche that you can get started with. Okay, so here we go. Okay, so here's the niche, and I'm going to walk you through it. This is a really good one. First, you can see it's another one that's sold for a lot of money, $9,000, 29 bids. That's 28 people that didn't win it, that are waiting or looking for a site like this. And what I recommend in terms of the free niche and using it is, this is the key thing. You can see here that the site is targeting compact furniture place. You know, so for people that have basically want furniture but don't have the massive floor space to put it, and want to make it more compact, whether that's through a choice to minimize clutter or whether it's through necessity, that's who it caters for. And that's what I want you to think about when you're thinking about the product review update and starting to worry. One of the key things that you can do with your sites is target niches that people are looking for. Okay, so as this one, the niche is actually compact furniture, and it's a huge niche. I'll show you the keywords and so on, and you can see that it targets them. And in fact, down here there's a download for the search console, and you can see that the site's ranking really well, and obviously made good money. So if we go up here, we can see like $277 per month, sold for $9,000, and a really excellent niche to get into. And when we have a look at the site, you can see that instead of just product review, it's focused on the actual key phrases that people are going to look for. Comfortable chairs for small spaces, decorating for a small living room, trailer and RV decorating, which is another sub niche, which is really good, because that's obviously you've got smaller spaces and a really good niche there. No room for nightstands, and it's getting picked up, and there's loads of niche key phrases in there as well. So a really good niche that is, and something that you can, the way I recommend that you do it is not to go and build a 5-year-old site. Okay, so what I mean is I don't mean that you go and try and match it for content or anything, but you can definitely pick a sub niche or even an area of the site that you like and build your own content and have a really good site that will start ranking relatively quickly. Just as an example, if you were to take that niche, the RV camping and RV furniture and the compact furniture, people looking for RV furniture, 18,100 people a month, and only 38 in search difficulty. So You can get plenty of ideas from here's one small living room ideas, and they had one about RV camping and so on. And you can get loads of ideas, 16 clever space savers that can make life easier, and that's really a really great way of doing it and not having to worry about the product review update, as well as actually seeing that it's profitable. You can see the site's profitable, it's ranking. One thing that I would say, just to give you a step by step, is again, I wouldn't copy anything on the site for obvious reasons. It's not going to work for you, and it's illegal and all of that stuff. So I'm not advocating copying, but I'm saying you can definitely see the niche here, and you can pick one area of this niche and build a site that's going to rank relatively quickly and do really well. So you could go for RV camping furniture, you could go for compact office furniture, you could go for living room furniture, you could go for compact bedroom furniture, you could go for outdoor furniture for small gardens, and sell patio sets and so on. Obviously the other thing as well is you don't just have to do Amazon. You could add AdSense onto there. You can add other stockists, eBay, Walmart and so on, and a really good niche. So I wanted to give you the niche and some ideas. That's definitely one that you want to look at. The main thing that I want to impart to you is not just the niche, but this is another way that you can get past the product review update by not focusing too much on product reviews rather than usage. Okay, people are actually, the reason that this site does well is because it solves a problem in the niche. So compact furniture is a necessity if you've got a small living space or RV camping or whatever the reason. People are typing in those phrases, and hence the site doing well. So that's a really good way of making money quickly. And if you're stuck, or if you just want to get going really quick, do check out the one-on-one coaching. That's pretty much what we will do. We will pick a really good site. We will get the niche picked out so we know that it will convert before you even start. I will pick out the exact keywords and product reviews to write. I'll give you everything that you need in terms of SEO guides and interlinking and how it works and all the courses. I will give you content templates to make the writing really easy, and you'll get little goals, little tasks every week, and we meet up every week to check progress and get support, and that's all there is to it. Okay, aside from all this stuff, it's just being able to do the stuff and move forward. So if you want to do that together, do grab one of the spots. There's 2 spots left, so if you want to get in, I've put the link below, and use that niche anyway. And I hope that was helpful with the Google product review update, and it made sense about targeting the niche rather than just product reviews, and you can save yourself a lot of headaches down the line. So thanks for watching, guys. Do subscribe. I've got some more stuff on the way for you, and if you want the coaching, grab it below, and I'll speak to you soon.